Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about some of the key aspects of financial success. Everybody wishes to live their financial success life. But you know why everybody doesn't get it? Because they are not ready to change what they are doing. When you make a change, you will get different results. If you are doing the same thing again and again, you will live the same life you are living. The same way, if you want to change your financial status, then you must be change your some of the actions which you are trying to gain money out of it. So recently I have launched my online coaching where I will share some of the key aspects of money and finance. Why people don't get money what they want, or why people can't make financial success. There are some of the steps I share with them. Some of the steps like financial literacy, money relationship in their childhood life, open communication in the family, money management, and shared goals. So I share some of the needed things, tools, strategies in my coaching program. Okay, let's focus on this particular video. I'm going to talk about financial success. If you're serious about your financial life, you have to do some changes. If you want to join my community, Financial Harmony Hub, this particular group founded by me, if you want to get some of the tools and strategies, you can join my community where I will share some of the free things as well. You can join freely. So, financial success. Why majority don't get financial success? So, the majority focus on the rush where the mass or group is rushing. Then there is rush. You can't succeed there because everybody is there. So you will get a little. But you know, the minority, the successful people, they are doing the different things. They will connect with the successful people. They have some unique characteristics. Their actions in one particular area to get maximum results. You know, they make money, they create products, they make money. The main difference between the rich and the poor is their ability and willingness to manage their money. You know, these poor people, they don't think about managing money. They are thinking that money is for buying, money is for just spend for short-time gratification. That's not really money. Money is for making our life easy, comfort, educate ourselves, nurture ourselves, and giving back to the society. Then we can make a balance in our life. So always make a balance in our incoming money and spending money. Don't forget, don't spend more than you get. Then you can't maintain the balance. The debt will go high. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do. Turn on the notifications so that you know as soon as I have got a new video ready for you. So here are the 6 steps for financial success. This is New Year time. Every New Year urges us to start a new life. Everybody tries to start their new life, but unfortunately in the beginning they will do according to their plan. Later, they go to their comfort zone, like what they did previously. They don't do the plan, they give up their plan and pursue their previous behavior and actions that will give their old life. You don't do like that. If you make a plan, follow that plan diligently, then surely you can gain success in your life. So, here are the 6 steps for financial success. Step 1, set clear financial goals. Set a clear financial goals. What you want. Majority people don't get what they want because they don't know what they want. When they get any necessity, they will try to make it. No, not to get. They don't get it. So you have to specify what you want. You have to foresee in your life, what am I, what I want, how I live. So according to that, you have to specify what you want in your life. Even in the case of health, finance, relationships, personal and career development, and your financial life. So you have to specify what you want. Make a SMART goal in your life. Specific, measurable, actionable, relate, and time bound. Make a SMART goal in your life, whether it is health, financial, relationship, career, personal development, and wealth. So you have to make a SMART goal in your life. Then you can work for it. So if you have made a goal, that's fine. You diligently follow that plan, then you can achieve that in your life. The priority, the important thing is you have to follow what you plan. That's important. So make a plan and follow it. Number 2, create a budget and track spending. Step 2 of financial success is create a budget and track spending. Create your budget. How much you are spending every month? How much is your monthly income? How much is your necessity? How much money you want to save? How much money you want to invest? How much money you want to educate yourself? How much money you want to make yourself happy? That is happy money. How much money you want to giving back, charity. So you have to divide your money according to your budget. Then track your expenses. You have to track how much money you are spending every month. You have to track it every day or every week. You have to track and compare with the previous expenses. Then you can avoid some unwanted expenses. How much money you are spending more for some of the items or some of the areas you can make change. So track your expenses. This is step 2. Step 3 of financial success is manage debt and maintain LTSS. Manage your debt. The difference between the rich and the poor is their ability and willingness to manage their money. Making money is the half part. Managing money is the rest of the 50%. Having said that, being in control of your finance is a great stress reliever. So make a plan to manage your money. So initially you will get some challenges and difficulties. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months, then you don't bother about it. You have already established a system with some of the tools and strategies. Then it will follow according to the system. So manage a plan to manage your money, and make a plan to manage your debt. How much you have to assess how much debt you have. According to your debt, take some money from your monthly income and pay for it. Long term saving for spending. You have to keep some money for this LTSS account, long time saving for spending. In my money management course, step number 4, invest wisely and diversify. You have to invest wisely. If you have money, you will invest, but you have to invest wisely. You know why? Many people invest their money to unwanted organizations, persons, or institutions. They lost their money because they didn't learn about them and their money growth. When they heard, hey, you will get 3x, 5x, 10x money within a short span of time, they got attracted to that person or organization. Then they invested their money there. And what happened? Initially, they got some good money. 6 months or 1 year later, their money lost. I know many people, they lost their money by seeing they lost their money. So don't invest your money if you are not thoroughly know the institution or the process, how it will grow. If you want to invest, you have to learn first. Divide some time in a day and learn what is the best investment. Don't go for a quick and short investment, short growth money plan. Always look for long-term investment plan. For investment, for savings and all, you can, that LTSS, that you can choose some short time, like a 1 year plan you can choose. But for investment, you have to choose some long-term plan. Investment is like a golden goose that will lay golden eggs. So always think about making a golden goose. Then diversify your investments. Don't invest all money into one basket. Then you will get some trouble. Many people got troubled. Step number 5, develop financial literacy. People don't prioritize financial literacy. You know why? Because, money. I know. Many people say that money management, after I learn a lot of money, I will manage money according to some of the plan you shared. But now I have not that much money. So I want to share to those people, if you can't manage a small amount of money, you can't manage a big amount of money. How you manage the small amount of money, that will show your qualification to manage big amounts of money. You can learn from online classes, offline seminars, books, and other resources. Last but not the least, review and adjust regularly. You have to review all your actions. If you want, you can make change. This is not a fixed system, but you can always alter wherever you want. Which one is working well, that you have to follow. Which one is not working, you have to think about how you can make a change. These are the 6 steps I want to share with you. But for a bonus, I want to share one more thing. Show gratitude. It's very important. What you are, you have to show gratitude. Like that, this is a New Year time. You have lived your past year. how you are grateful about the last year. Show some gratitude. What you will say? If you ask me, I would say I'm grateful for my progress and success in my health, wealth, relationships. I launched my online courses, and I have some clarity about my purpose. Then I can live my confident life. There will not be any fear or any distractions if you know your purpose. So I'm working on myself and serving the people in the area of financial success. I will teach financial literacy, money management, open conversation, and the importance of shared goals in the families. Initially, I focus on working couples. They can either join individually or together to my webinar. If you are someone who wants to bring some changes, attend my free webinar where I will share some of the key aspects of financial success. Comes under financial literacy, money management, open communication, and shared vision. You can ask questions directly to me in the webinar where I will watch my videos and you will get new insights about a financial area. So stay positive. Thank you.